Here's Precalc. It's problem 7-100. And it just wants you to evaluate this function as h approaches 0. So I wrote it right here. So some of you guys just wrote down like what this boils down to, and you didn't show any work, and I'm not sure if you really know how to get to the next step, but basically you can't plug 0 in and take the limit because it would make a 0 denominator. But you can do some algebra to this function here and kind of fix it up, cancel it out so that you won't have that 0 denominator problem. So what you should do is go ahead and square this out. I can square these out in my mind, and I think many of you can. So what this is, I say I can square it out in my mind, and then I go ahead and show you. This is 3 plus h times 3 plus h. So you can do it this way if you can't do it in your head, but you're going to get a trinomial in here, and it's going to be 9. It's the first thing times like that. And then it's going to be 3 times h times 2, which is going to be 6h. And then it's going to be h squared. And you can see why, because you're going to get a 3h here and a 3h here. That's where that 6h came from. And here's where the h squared came from. So that's what I mean when I say square it out. And then you're going to have your minus 18. And you have the h down here still. So, but then you're going to have to distribute. So you guys are good at this kind of stuff. So 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 6 is 12. And 2 times h squared. Okay, so you're just working it out. So this 18 and this 18 go away. And then this h, these h's this turns into just 12 plus 2h. So what you're really taking the limit of, you had to do that. You couldn't just plug the 0 in. You had to do this first. Now you can do it. Now you can plug in the 0, and you'll get 12 plus 2 times 0. So you get 12.